Hello there, my name is Fernando, and I'm a developer advocate here at GitLab. And today I'm going to go over one of the newly released features of GitLab 17.7. Today I'll be covering the expanded code flow view within GitLab Advanced SAST, which provides code flow through several interfaces, which include the merge request widget, the merge request changes view, the security pipeline report, as well as the vulnerability report. Now let's get started. Now let's take a look at the code flow within the MR view. In order to enable GitLab Advanced SAST, scroll down and open up your .gitlab CI YAML file. From here, you must include the SAST GitLab CI template, as well as the GitLab Advanced SAST enabled variable set to true. Now within a merge request, we can click on the pipeline and see that the GitLab Advanced SAST job has run. Now from here, let's scroll down and see the vulnerabilities that were detected by GitLab Advanced SAST. I'll take a look at the improper neutralization vulnerability. Here we can see the vulnerability insights, which provide a description as well as useful information helping us remediate the vulnerability quickly. For vulnerabilities detected by GitLab Advanced SAST, we can see the code flow button. The code flow is the path the data takes from the user input to the vulnerable line of code, including all assignments, manipulation, and sanitization. This information will help you understand and evaluate the vulnerability's context, impact, and risk. Thanks for watching. To learn more about this feature as well as the GitLab 17.7 release, see the links in the description. And for similar content, be sure to click on that subscribe button.